In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in Canva. If you're creating a badge logo, product label sticker, or any design that needs text to follow a circular shape, Canva makes the process much easier than trying to position letters manually. Instead of fighting with spacing and alignment, you can use Canva's built-in text effects to create a clean, professional curve in just a few clicks. To get started, open Canva and head to the homepage. From there, click Create a Design in the top full right corner. You can choose any canvas size that fits your project, whether that's a social post, logo layout, or a custom-sized design. Once your blank canvas opens, go to the left-hand sidebar and click Text. Then choose Add a Text Box or Add a Heading to place a fresh text layer onto your canvas. Next, click inside the text box and replace the default text with your own wording. It's usually a good idea to keep the phrase fairly short so the curve looks balanced and easy to read. After that, go to the toolbar at the top and pick a font that has enough weight to hold its shape when curved. Bold, clean fonts tend to work especially well because they stay readable and look more polished once the text bends. Now for the main part. Make sure your text is selected so you can see the bounding box around it. Then click Effects in the top toolbar. A settings panel will appear, and within the text effects options, you'll find Curve. Click that, and Canva will instantly apply a curved shape to your text. This is the feature that transforms a straight line of text into an arc without any manual letter-by-letter editing. Once the curve is active, you can fine-tune it using the slider that appears in the settings panel. This slider changes both the strength and direction of the curve. Moving it one way creates an upward curve, while moving it the other way flips the text into a downward arc. If you want a subtle bend, keep the value closer to the middle. If you want a more dramatic circular look, push it further until it matches your design. When the text looks the way you want, drag it around the canvas to position it correctly. Canva will show alignment guides as you move it, which makes it easier to center your design. Take a moment to check that the text feels balanced and isn't sitting too close to the edges. Once everything looks right, click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download to save your finished design. That's it. You now know how to curve text in Canva quickly and cleanly for a more polished final result. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in